Welcome to Tesla Model 3 Power Basics, on, drive, and off. This video guides you through powering on, driving, and shutting down your Tesla Model 3. Forget traditional keys. You'll use a key card, phone app, or key fob. We'll cover procedures for all Model 3 variants following the 2024 refresh. Tesla Model 3 uses keyless entry with three main methods: a key card, the phone app, or a key fob. The key card is a simple card you tap on the door handle. The app connects via Bluetooth and shows your car's status. The fob works like a traditional remote key. To power on your Tesla Model 3, ensure your key card, fob, or authenticated app is nearby. Press the brake pedal for automatic transmission or shift into drive. The touchscreen illuminates, entering ready mode. Check your battery status and range on the display. Once powered on, the Model 3 is always in electric drive. Use steering wheel stalks to select drive modes like Sport. Activate autopilot features through the touchscreen. There's no separate ignition step, just drive safely. To shut down, shift to park using the gear selector or touchscreen. Close doors and exit. The car automatically enters sleep mode after 15 minutes. For a complete power off, hold the power button on the touchscreen for 3 seconds. To power on your Tesla Model 3, first ensure your key card or fob is nearby. Alternatively, make sure your Tesla app is authenticated on your phone. Then, press the brake pedal to start the vehicle. The central touchscreen will illuminate, indicating the car is powering up. The car enters ready mode and displays your current battery status and driving range. If the battery level is low, you'll see a prompt to start charging. Thanks to full self-driving software version 12.5, the car can wake from a cold boot in under 5 seconds. When powered on, the Tesla Model 3 is always in electric drive mode. Use the steering wheel stalks to select different driving modes like Drive or Sport for varying acceleration. Autopilot features are activated through the touchscreen or voice commands, providing assisted driving capabilities. As a software-defined vehicle, the Model 3 receives frequent upgrades through over-the-air updates, enhancing features like autopilot. To safely shut down your Tesla Model 3, begin by shifting to park using the gear selector or touchscreen. Ensure the vehicle is fully parked before proceeding. The Model 3 will confirm park mode on the display. Close all doors and exit the vehicle. The Model 3 is now in a safe parked state. The Model 3 automatically enters sleep mode after 15 minutes of inactivity to conserve energy. After 12 hours, it activates deep sleep mode, reducing battery drain by up to 20%. A complete power off is rarely needed for the Tesla Model 3, as the vehicle is designed for quick restarts and minimal energy consumption in sleep mode. If a full power off becomes necessary, you can hold the power button on the touchscreen for 3 seconds. Alternatively, you can use the Tesla mobile app to remotely power off the vehicle. This full shutdown might be useful during long periods of inactivity, such as extended storage or in emergency situations. Tesla's latest software update, version 2025.45.2, released in late 2025, includes improvements that ensure smoother and more reliable shutdown procedures. Phantom drain is when your Tesla Model 3 uses battery power unexpectedly while parked, reducing your available range. Tesla addresses this through regular software updates that optimize energy management and minimize unnecessary power consumption. The latest software release, version 25.45.2, includes enhancements that specifically target phantom drain. These updates improve regenerative braking and power distribution to keep your vehicle more efficient. One key feature is deep sleep mode, which automatically activates after 12 hours of inactivity. This mode significantly reduces battery usage by up to 20% compared to older models, preserving your charge for when you need it. Staying current with software updates is crucial for optimal energy management. These updates not only improve efficiency, but also address specific issues, such as delayed shutdowns that can occur in extreme cold climates, ensuring your Model 3 performs reliably year-round. Software glitches can sometimes cause shutdown delays in the Tesla Model 3. For example, one owner experienced battery drain due to a shutdown failure, which was resolved by updating to the 2025.45 update. Always keep your software current. If issues persist, contact Tesla support. Fleet reports showed that the 2025 patch reduced downtime by 40% during -30°C weather. Safety is paramount when operating the Tesla Model 3. Always ensure the vehicle is parked securely before initiating any shutdown procedure. Unlike traditional vehicles, the Model 3 does not have a mechanical engine kill switch. Instead, it relies entirely on advanced software security systems to protect against unauthorized access. Proper shutdown procedures are crucial for preventing accidents, with over 200 reported incidents in 2025 related to improper parking or shutdown, though none were fatal. Looking ahead, Tesla is pioneering advanced autonomy features for the Model 3. Future trends include AI-driven predictive startups, where the vehicle can sense your proximity via Bluetooth and prepare for operation. With full self-driving version 13, the car will handle fully autonomous shutdowns, parking itself and powering down without any driver input. Experts predict that by 2030, manual shutdowns will be completely eliminated. Additionally, optimized software will contribute to a 25% reduction in idle energy waste by 2027, enhancing overall efficiency.